Hello everyone! Welcome to Brooklyn Channel! And guys, tapos na ang birthday ni Bobby Boy noong May 25. Kaso nga lang, sa kabisihan, may bisita kami na si Hugo, ang aming friend, ay busy kami, magulo. Kaya hindi ko binigay aking gift. Kaya ito ngayon guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng gift ko kay Bobby at Juju. Are you excited? Are you excited to open your gift? Are you excited? Okay, let's open. Open tayo. See kung gusto nila yun. Tada! Someone is so excited. Ano guys? Makita. Dito kayo, dito. Dito. Excited dito, Juju. What is this? I'm so excited. Tingin ka doon. Tingin ka doon. Dito. Ayan. Someone is so excited. What is this? Juju! This is for Juju. This is for Bobby. Usually, ito ay nilalagyan ng pagkain. Ito. Bola! Do you like Juju? Gusto daw ni Juju, Bobby? Yay! Okay. Lagyan natin ng treats. Okay? Mamaya. Lagyan mo natin yan. Ito kay Bobby. Ayan, maganda tayo. Mamaya, ipa-play natin ito. Oh, dito. Yay! Parang basahan. Hindi na sila interesado. Later, here. Ito muna, Bobby. Ito, maganda to. Di ba parang basahan to, guys? Very colorful. May yellow, purple, light blue, pink, brown. Ito yung sniffing. Tawag na. Tapos lalagyan natin ng pagkain dito. Tapos, hahanapin nila yung pagkain. Huwag kang maingay. Ito excited. Hindi nalilinig. Kami. Hey. Dito. Hide and seek tayo. Lagyan natin ng pagkain dito. Come dito. Like this. Like that. And then you're gonna find the food here. Okay? Let's do that later. Are you excited? Okay. Juju want the ball, right? Juju want the ball, na? Gawin natin, guys. Lagyan natin ng pagkain. And guys, ito yung bola. Ito ilalagyan natin ng treats. Tapos, tignan natin kung paano nila kukunin. Ayan. See how clever Bobby is. Wait, anak ko. Lagyan natin ng pagkain. I'm so excited. Ayan. Okay, ready, Bobby? Okay. Ayan. May pagkain dito. Tapos, i-roll natin. Tignan natin kung sino ang... Siyempre, si Bobby. Ahon na sila, guys. Okay, ready? Want this ball? May pagkain dyan, Juju! Share with Bobby! Nagagawan sila. Ayun! Si Bobby, siyempre, ang kakain. Agawin mo, Juju, Bobby! Pa! Ayan, oh! Juju, gawin mo, Bobby! Huwag kasi dyan! Ayan. Ayan. No. Steady, Juju, Bobby, Juju. Bobby, gawin mo. Yan. Ready? Go! Ala! Si Bobby ang kumakain. Ala! Oy! Nagtago na doon. Ready? Ready? Go! Si Bobby ang kumakain. Ala pa! Ala pa! Oh, nauhaw na. Ayan, andun na sa pwesto niya. Alam. Sige. Ito anak ko. Catch. There are 2 more there. 2 more food there. Nakuha ni Bobby yung isa. May isa pa. Wala. Diyan na siya sa pwesto niya. Okay? I'll show you the other one, Bobby. That's for Juju, okay? Let Juju play the ball. And you play the other one. It's more food. Put some more food, okay? Okay. Ayan, ito naman guys, ang para kay Bobby. Lalagyan natin ng pagkain. Kasi kung makukuha niya lahat, lagyan natin ng 3 to. Tapos dito, sniff lang niya guys. Magaling yan kasi nga, paborito niya ng food. Bobby is a food lover. So yan. Lagyan natin dyan. I-hide natin. Makukuha niya ba lahat? Ayan. Tapos dito, tag-isa. Ayan. Yung isa, naglalaro na. Paborito ni Juju ng bola. Ayan. Unboxing guys. Ito yung gift ko sa kanila. Usually, kay Bobby. Pero always na mayroong yung isa para hindi naman parang bata ba na meron sa kanya, wala sa akin. Ito dun, Bobby, oh. Ayan, lagyan natin. Kunti lang kasi kakain na sila. Ayan. Lagyan natin itong pink. Ayan. Ilagay ko na, guys. Ito na, guys. Ayan. Mag-i-sniff yan si Bobby. Tingnan natin kung makukuha niya lahat yung mga pagkain. Ayan. Napaka-colorful, guys. Yellow, purple, light blue, blue, pink. And ito naman, blue pa rin. Saka brown. Ayan. Tingnan natin, guys, kung makukuha lahat ni Bobby yung food na itinago natin. Okay, sit there, sit. Bobby, sit. Sit, Bobby. Sit. Good boy. Down. Down, Bobby, down. Down, anak. Down. Down. No, I want you to sit. Okay, stay there, okay? Okay, good boy. Sit. Down. Good boy. That's my boy. Okay? If I say go, you have to go and find all the food. Okay? Go! Ayan. Sniffy sniff. You have to find all the food inside. Good job. Oh, got one there. I find one there. Bobby. One. Good boy. Find more, find more. Look for another one. How about you, Juju? Do you want to find one? Gulo-gulo na. Oh, hindi, yung laruan daw niya. Yung laruan daw niya. Yung bola na sa ilalim. Sandali, Juju. Tapusin mo natin si Kuya. Hanapin mo anak ko. Umiikot. Ayusin natin, ah. O, yan. Ayan. Ayusin natin. Let's find if Bobby can find all the food. Did you get it? Good boy. Mahirap ba? Oh, yun, isa oh. Dalawa. Hey, good job. Look for another one. Maraming hole dyan, Bobby. He is concentrating. Yung isa naman, naghintay ng kukuha sa bola niya. Good boy. Okay, let's continue. Does Bobby already find everything? The other one is so noisy there. Look for some more, Bobby. Wow, you got already 5. Look for another one. Be careful. Yung pala na ano? Ayan. Get inside. Need to open. Wow, wow, wow. Did you get it? You want me to help you? Yay, good job. There. There's some more there. Look inside the lane. Inside. Look properly. What's that? No. Let's continue then. Done? Okay guys, yan na po nagtatapos ang ating unboxing. Ayan. And Bobby's looking hide and seek. Food challenge for Bobby and Juju. So, here is it. Thank you guys for watching. But she's still looking for another one. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like our video. He got one. Hope you like our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updated videos. See you to our next vlog. Blah, blah, blah. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.